Edpuzzle Originals are ready to go, standards aligned videos that our curriculum team at Edpuzzle have created. Currently, there are videos for grades 3 through 5, but if you're a second grade teacher, first grade, some of these videos will still come in handy for intervention, or even if, students are completing and really getting through those standards pretty quickly. If you're teaching 6th or 7th grade, they're also great for ready to go intervention videos for you to send out. So how to get here, I will send out a link, for you to get there as well. But if you are a second grade, third grade, basically a primary teacher, and you put that as your settings on Edpuzzle, you should see this Edpuzzle Originals tab on the left sidebar. If you don't, what you can do is you can go into your icon here, click your name, and then this is when you're going to go, this is where all your profile settings are here. So I'm going to go to school, my school tab here, and then this is where you can change your grade level. This is not going to change any videos when you're searching for videos. This isn't going to limit you at all to this grade level. It's just more for us on our end for data to see what level teachers are using Edpuzzle. So what you would do here is if maybe you have 7th grade there and that's not going to help you. So what you want to do instead is click, maybe 3rd grade, and then click Save Changes, and that should have Edpuzzle Originals pop up on your left sidebar. Once you go there, that's when you can go through your different content areas. So if I am looking for a 3rd grade video on place value, I would go down to place value here, and then you have all of these amazing videos ready to go, ready to assign. So the questions are already embedded intentionally by our curriculum team to promote, the critical thinking skills, the engagement, not just the rote memorization of math. So they really took time to go through this. If you find you want to change,
so I have to change. So to get the 4th grade ones, I have to make sure my setting is set to 4th grade. To get the 3rd grade ones, I have to make sure.
No, that's more so like if you were a 7th grade teacher and you put down 7th grade, the Edpuzzle Originals aren't showing up for intermediate teachers yet. So if you click that you're a 3rd grade teacher, I can still see, like now that I go to Edpuzzle Originals.
Oh, yeah. Okay. All right. Sorry. Yeah. Gotcha.
Does that make sense? See, I can still see 4th grade and 5th grade. And then all you have to do.
Social studies has middle and high school.
Yeah, I was just about to say that too.
Okay. Right.
Yep. So those, like these obviously can be topics for early, middle, or even high school if you're starting a unit and you want to start off with the basics. Like these would be great for that. But yeah, they're ready to go. So you click 3rd grade, you click the video you like. So, here's one with rounding word problems, and I watch it. I love it. I can assign it immediately to my class. So you would just have your Google Classroom class connected to Edpuzzle, which I do here. You can see that little Google Classroom icon. If you don't have it connected yet, you can hit Add New Class, and then this is when you would connect your Google Class from here. So you can assign it right then. If you don't like one of the questions, you can always edit it and then go through the questions on the left here and delete one or add in your own if you'd like.
So how would you delete? Do you just click on it?
Yeah, so let me show you that. So here is cutting any parts of the video. You can put your own voice over. So if you want to get rid of the Edpuzzle curriculum person's voice and you want to use your own teacher voice, you can do that. And then finally, we're going through our questions here on the left. So if I don't like this first one here, I'm just going to click edit or delete.
Oh, I see. Okay, so it's popping up over on the side. Okay.
And then I always like to mention these teardrops here are an easy way to get to all the questions.
Okay.
Yeah, and if I click edit here, like if I want to add even another multiple choice potential answer here, you can click add. So maybe you want to say something like equal to 5, right? You can do that as well. And then you're going to click finish, and that's when you would assign the video the same way. So these are great, especially right now with your remote teaching and learning, but also when you get back into the classroom. I used Edpuzzle Originals with my second graders a lot to do like station rotations, things like that to really hit home, especially with the bigger learning gap, right, with COVID and everything that's going on. So yeah, these are great. And if you have any questions, you can always reach back out to me and I'll help you find them.